Hello everyone, so thank you for tuning in. I'm going to do a quick video on lease options. So one of the subscribers have asked me how to do a lease option, and I'm going to show you the exact way that I have just done my last one. And if you think of it's a lease with an option to purchase, yes, you need a contract with a solicitor and you need exchange for a value. So I'll write on the board now and the last one of what I did. Hopefully you can see it. So we've got a one mid-terrace house which was 2 flats, and if you watch my other YouTube videos, this is exactly the option what I did. The option was for 115,000. The property was worth 135,000, but all I was doing was going to flip this on. So I had an assignable contract, so it's a lease option but assignable, so I could either do it myself or I could assign it to another party. So we got the offer, as I said, for 115. It was worth 135. My option was £1, but I was paying his mortgage in the meantime. So my option was £1. I was paying the investor, the owner, whoever it may be, but in this occasion it was an investor that owned this house. People say, why would an investor sell you their house? So this property was a nightmare for him. He had a previous investor who had this same deal, which kept missing payments, so he defaulted on his contract. He came to me, said, am I interested? I took this on this. I was paying $450 a month. In the meantime, I sold this on as a sourced deal. So my sourcing fee on this was £6,000. I did pay out around about 4 months of this deal. So as you can see, $450 a month. I roughly paid out £1,800. Plus I paid his legals for this as well. So let's just say I paid £1,800 in fees. Let's say I paid £1,000 in legals. That brings me to £2,800. I am in this deal for £2,800, okay? But I sold this on for £6,000. Yes, I am VAT registered, so scaling that back, I'd make 5k, but I'd also make the VAT back from this guy's legals. But for make it easy, 5k, take away this, I made around about £2,200. But because I also renovate properties, I've taken on the renovation. The renovation works on this project is £90,000. I charge 12%, that's 10% plus VAT to be the project manager. That's making sure the project is reasonably on time, if possibly on time. Things do change. Make sure it's on budget, that's the main thing. Make sure the project's getting done as we said, and make sure the client's paying the builder and the jobs are getting done what I said, because there's a lot of builders out there that'll take the money and run. So let's make this easy. Let's take the VAT off, so 10%. That's 9k. So on this deal, as you can see there, I will be making up £14,000. Some people say, what is the point? Why didn't you do it yourself? Because now I've kept the investor buying more stock. I've still got paid £14,000. I also own a letting agency, so ongoing. This will bring in round about £2,600 for the investor. We charge 14% of that, so we'll make onwards money. It's not about making quick money all the time. The other day, I could have done this deal myself, but I wanted to give it to somebody else because I'm still making a reasonable amount. So the lease option, it was a £1 lease option on the contracts. I paid the legals. It was $450 a month, but I flipped this on. What I could have done is carried on paying the $450 a month. Let's just say 12 months of progress. I could have spent the money on the renovation, which is 90k, come to revaluation, then purchase the property at a higher value, and then paid everyone back and had a chunk of money left in. So basically the lease option is you make sure you go to a solicitor, a commercial lawyer who knows about lease options. I can recommend a few, but it's about exchange. You can exchange for £1, it doesn't no mortgage, but a lot of the time there is bills outgoing. Okay, so that was why I was paying the £450 a month, to help the investor from not paying money out of his pocket. Okay, but then I decided to source that onto my investor database. Pretty simple. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Any more questions you may have that I can help you with, do comment. I will do more videos like this, and thank you for watching.